S to the C double O S A. Scoosa is the name, and I do this every day. So like, subscribe, turn on notification, because I'm bringing the heat with no hesitation. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharonda, but you can call me Scoosa. And today I'm going to be trying the magnetic eyelashes. Well, it's actually the eyeliner that's magnetic, but it's supposed to work with any lash strip. So we're going to see how this goes. First, I need to say that I don't know anything about makeup, but I have been getting the lash extensions. But instead of the lash extensions, I was like, let me just try to see if I could just do this at home by myself one day. You know, if I'm going out or anything and I just need something quick, fast, and I need to do it myself. So I was like, let me just try it. So this is supposed to be beginner friendly, and it's supposed to be easy. So coming from somebody who don't know anything about makeup, y'all gonna see how easy it really is. I can't remember where I got this eyeliner from, but I'll look for it and I'll leave the link below. The lashes I'm going to be using are Lash Effects by Ashley. It's from my girl Ashley. Her company is Splash Effects. I'm gonna leave her information below too. This is Kiss My Lash. And it's supposed to be medium. Because like I said, I don't know nothing about makeup. I don't like nothing big, nothing too dramatic. I like something simple, but we about to get into it. So you're supposed to just apply, let me open it first. So you're supposed to just apply the eyeliner as you would on your eye. And then take the lashes and apply it. So yeah, we about to see. I mean, I did get them on. It's the first time I've ever been able to put lashes on. Ever. I've never put lashes on by myself. So maybe it's something I just got to play around with. And I think the key to it too is applying it while wet. I think that's why these didn't stick the first time, because this one had dried while I was applying this one. So I think the key to it is applying it when it's wet. But look at the lashes though. So I think they're cute. I think I will try this again. But I think next time, I think I need to pull the liner down some. I think I put the liner too high on my eyelid. I need to pull it down a little bit, closer to my natural eyelashes. Okay, trying to see if you can see. You can't really tell. I think I just need to bring the liner down some, closer to my natural eyelashes. But I don't think they look bad. Okay. I think I give it like a 9 out of 10. I think after I play around with it a little bit more and get used to it, I think it'll be easy. Let me comb my hair down. I'm back. So yes, these lashes are giving what they are supposed to be giving. Look. And I would definitely try it again. So I would say the magnetic eyeliner with the lashes, I think I would give that like a 9. Like I said, I don't know anything about makeup. I've never applied lashes by myself. I tried to, and it was always a fail. So the fact that I actually have the lashes on, move the bang out the way. The fact that I actually have the lashes on, yep. So, like I said, I'm gonna leave the links below to the magnetic eyeliner, and I'm gonna also leave the links below to the lashes from Lash Effects with my girl Ashley. And yeah, y'all go check them out. Because you see your girl is feeling herself. So yeah, they most definitely gave what they were supposed to give. So until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.